All right, Dusty with 1023 Diesel here. Today we're going to talk about KC Turbo's balanced assembly turbo kit for the 7.3 Powerstroke. See if we can get a good shot on both cameras here. The balanced assembly kit is oftentimes a lot better choice than just replacing the compressor wheel with a billet compressor wheel. This has got their S300 style turbine wheel. It's going to flow a lot more than stock. It's got a 6x6 blade extended tip billet compressor wheel. It's fully assembly balanced, so rather than being the turbine wheel balanced by itself and the compressor wheel balanced by itself, this is assembly balanced, meaning that you can take this wheel off, stick it in your stock turbo, stick the wheel back on, and it will be completely assembly balanced. It's not going to have a problem with coming apart earlier than it should. These rebuild kits, they're very cost effective right now. They're $450. It's got a full rebuild kit with a 360-degree thrust bearing, the seals and everything you need. It's got the turbine wheel, the compressor wheel, and it's drop-in ready. So this just goes in place of your stock turbo. It's going to increase boost. It's going to lower EGTs. It's going to keep back pressure down. It's going to be a great fit for your 7.3 guys that are stock with tuning, or a lot of like on an OPS truck or a Super Duty where you've got like stage 1 AC code injectors. This is a good cost-effective way to get your EGTs down, bring your towing power up, and increase boost pressure. You can check them out at 1023diesel.com. We've got them linked below. We'll see you guys on the next one.